Hey, check this out, y'all. So this probably is the best view you're gonna ever find and come across to in Bangkok, Thailand. So I'm right here in Bangkok at my Airbnb, looking down at the river. You see the skyline, you see the highways, the traffic. The city is, you know, just winding down. It is on a Sunday after midnight in Thailand. So check out my balcony. I'm on my balcony on my Airbnb, and this is probably the best view you're gonna find in the city. Look at this. Yeah, so if you're interested about that view, I'll let you guys know in the description. But for right now, let's go ahead and inside. Check this out too, you know. So look at the bed right here. So the bed is right here, looking at the view outside on the balcony. You can't beat that. But let me show you guys around the Airbnb and why I think you guys gotta check this out if you ever decide to come to Bangkok, which if you haven't, you should. And if you already been here, chances are you've been here multiple times, gang of times. So yeah, let me turn the camera around and give you guys a So, okay, so this is the bedroom right here. Like I said, you got you right in the front of the view, so you can open up your balcony at night, go out there and chill. I've been out there plenty of times. They give you a cool mirror right here. Watch when I step on this right here. Watch what they do. All right, so that's pretty cool. All right, let's go check out more. So this is a very spacious Airbnb. I like it. I mean, it's laid out pretty well. And this hotel actually was one of the towers from The Hangover. If you guys seen that movie, The Hangover, this was with that tower and this building is. So quick little bathroom. All right, I used it a lot, so it's probably ain't clean as it should be. All right, going into like the living room, whatever. Let me turn this down real quick. All right, so you got the table right here. I love how this little divider right here is setting up, dividing the room. You got two bathrooms actually. So you got one where the toilet is, and you got another one where you got the shower and the tub. So this is probably like 1.5. It's not quite a full bathroom, but yeah, you don't need, it's enough space for all that. All right, so you got your kitchen. I like how the layout right here. You got your kitchen and everything. Wash your clothes, cook your food. I ate a lot. I cooked a lot actually. So yeah, man. So yeah, this is pretty much what it looks like. And again, this is probably one of the better places that I had been and seen since I stayed in Thailand and move around. Most of the time I spend my time at Pattaya, but yeah, so most of the time I spend my time in Pattaya, but I am starting to grow more fond of Bangkok. Actually, I consider Bangkok more things to do. I just find out it has more to offer than just things in Pattaya. Pattaya, over a while, it gets really repetitive, and after a while, you kind of get burnt out doing the same thing. So you come to Bangkok, and Bangkok can, you know, give you that remedy to where you feeling bored. It just got more things to offer than Pattaya, in my opinion. But so the point of this video is I just want to ask you guys what type of content you guys actually want to see. You know what I mean? Like I think my channel is like real informative. I help people out and I give them tips and kind of experience and advice of places that I've been and things that I see. It helps some people out, but I just think that it's best for me to ask you guys what exactly you want to see and gear my channel around that content, because I'm getting good reach and everything, but I just always looking for room to improve. You know what I mean? So yeah, so I got trips coming up. I'm going to Vietnam. I'm gonna try to go to Cambodia, Bali, different places I haven't been to, and in the Southeast Asia, because I always go to almost like the same countries that I'm fond of. You know, Thailand. I like Vietnam a lot. Recently been to Japan. I've been to Japan twice actually, but I still stayed in Tokyo. I should have had venture out besides Tokyo and just kind of seen other areas. But yeah, you guys let me know. So I'm kind of asking you guys for help. Let me know what you guys like to see. I mean, you guys like to see, you know, nightlife, cultural things, new places, adventure. That's really what I do. I just kind of just make things on the fly. I don't got no scripts. I kind of just freestyle as I'm going. I just flow with it and just film it and just talk about what I'm doing or what I see. So that's the type of content I make. But again, I just want to gear and change my content to what the viewers like and what they want to see. So I think that's what helped me to get better reach out there and to also get more engagement from my followers and my subscribers, I should say. But yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to do was hop on here and just show you guys where this cool hotel that I'm at, that nice view. If you want to stay here, let me know in the comments. I will send you guys the description. And also I wanted to I just wanted to jump in on this video to see what you guys like to see. You know what I mean? I can show nightlife if you guys want to see that. Girls, anything you guys want to see, but I don't want to get too crazy. You know, I don't want to become a, you know, too much of a passport bro channel. Nothing against my passport bros, but I'm just trying to, you know, do something different. I'm all about, you know, just experiences, tips, travels, and things like that in adventure. But all right, guys, this is too long already, and I'm getting tired. I ain't gonna lie, it's been a long day. Went to the floating market today. Went to the train market. This is probably my 5th night in Thailand. I got a couple more nights, and then like I said again, I'm going to be in Vietnam. But yeah, let's go ahead and check out this view real quick before I end the video, so you guys can check it out real quick. Hold on, all right. See, I like how you got that purple light up there. It's pretty cool. Then you can see the water down there. So, and sometimes during, it's too late now, but like sometimes, like I did the dinner cruise on that river down there, and it lasts for I think probably like a good hour. You probably can see some boats that's going under the bridge right now. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, let me extend it real quick. Also, I forgot to mention, they do have a dope sky bar. The sky bar is crazy. I took some footage of that on my phone. I'll probably put that in this video so you guys can see what to expect. But if you come to Thailand, if you come to Bangkok specifically, stay here. Definitely bring yourself a nice date, because this is one of the spots where it's just too romantic to just be by yourself. But yeah. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. I got more content on the way. Be patient. I got a backlog of Thailand videos, backlog of Vietnam videos, a backlog of Panama. I'm sorry, not Panama. Panama I finished with already. So if you do or decide to think about going to Panama, check those videos out. I made tour guides for Panama, tour guides for El Salvador. I'm gonna make a tour guide for Japan, tour guide for Thailand. But I do have a backlog of DR. Punta Cana, so that you guys check out that as well. But yeah, man. All right, guys, this Real Travel Speaks. Peace.